I'm going to let you try these on.
Oh my gosh.
Well, let me ask, you only bought your bottoms because that's all you could afford?
That's right.
I'm going to do your bottoms for free.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Bill.
You're going to call me Monday. We're going to get your impression. You know how to take an impression?
Yeah.
It's not
I did it
impossible.
myself. I did
it's
it
not
myself.
rocket science.
Yeah. Yeah, very easy. I did
Look,
it myself.
I want you to see how beautiful that
Yeah.
is. You've trained yourself not to smile big,
Right.
and you want to smile big.
Right.